So mutual fund investment is a type of investment whereby group of people come together and put their money together. So for example, we have 10 people and these people, every individual have 1,000 cedis. So these people come together and bring those 1,000 cedis together and then give this 1,000 together to one person, either inside the group or outside the group. And this person is going to use the money and invest in other stocks. And then when a profit come in, then they share the profit together. So for this mutual fund investment, when this group of people come together, the money are being given to a financial expert who know the market very well and know how to manage money very well. So they go in and invest the money in stocks, in bonds and stuff. When the profit come in, then they share the profit to those people who come together to invest in. So now let's look at how you can invest in Stanbic or Data Bank Mutual Fund. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and like that video. Let's start. Alright, so to invest in the Stanbic Bank, go to your app store or play store and download this app. Okay, so we have an investment app called Plus app, okay, or the Plus Invest. This is the app here. Then you install the app. So I've already installed it. I'm going to open it. So after opening it, you need to make sure you create your account, and then creating your account, you confirm your KYC with your Ghana card and stuff. Then you create your account. So at this moment, I'm going to log into my account. Alright, so I've logged into my account. After logging into your account, this is the dashboard, the screen, the first screen that you see here. The one that you see under here is a portfolio that I've created, but for you, you will not see that one. The first thing that you see is this screen right here. Okay, so this screen is the only thing that you see. So we are going to invest in the fund. To do that, you come to invest here, and then this will pop up. The first one, we have treasure bill, that's the Bank of Ghana. Stanbic Cash Trust Fund, that's the Stanbic Bank Mutual Fund. And then we have the IC liquidity. So for the IC liquidity, you can even find them on the IC platform. And then we have the Data Bank Mutual Fund. So if you look at them right here, it has their prices. Okay, so if you look at here, the IC word, you can buy from 1.99 pesos, and then the mutual fund, that's what the Stanbic is, what 9.65 or minimum that you can buy. And then we have the Data Bank also here. Okay, so you can't buy them or purchase them. Okay, so now we are going to go for the Stanbic Bank. So I'll tap on the Stanbic Bank, and then the minimum investment is what 10 cedis right here, and then the current price is this one. Okay, and then your minimum investment and the prices that you can buy, that's what the current price per one. So let's come to the IC word. The minimum investment is 10 cedis. The current price is what 1 cedi 99 pesos. Okay, so I will type on this one, that's the Stanbic Bank. We have invest here, then I'll hit on invest. It will turn you to this side. So maybe you don't have a business portfolio, so at this point you can create one here. So if I tap here, then you create your business portfolio. So business portfolio is like a wallet that contains your money or your investment inside. After that, then I type on it. Here you enter the amount that you want to put into this one. So for instance, I want to buy this one and I'm going for 50 cedis, so I'll type 50, then I'll include. Okay, then I'll hit on this one next. Here I need to make sure I select my payment method to be able to pay for this one. So this payment method that I have here, I don't have one on it. I can add a new one. So adding a new one, here is the line that I will enter, then the name on that one. Okay, then you hit on apply. So it will proceed to and for you. So this is the one that I'm going to use. You hit on next, then it will show you everything on here. So I'm buying hot 50 cedis, and that's the Stanbic. This the portfolio. My processing fee is what 0.99, and plus fee, that's the app fee. So I'm going to pay this amount of money, that's what 51.99. Then I hit on complete, and then I hit on proceed. So it's going to pop up and give me a prompt. So this is the prompt here that will show that I need to copy this one and paste it here. If I copy the code, that's what the paste code, and then paste it and the link out here, it's going to deduct the money straight from my account. Then I'm going to confirm my details, then I'll buy the mutual fund shares on a Stanbic Bank. It's just easy and simple like that.